Hello, fifth graders. Right now we're going to learn how to bookmark a site or a page that we use a lot from our Google Drive. So the page that you're going to be using is in your Google Drive. So step one, open a new tab on your Chromebook, your device. Once you have that new tab open, then you're going to, number two, click on the app dots at the top right corner. So those are these little guys right up there. I call them app dots. So you're going to click on those dots, and when you do, a menu is going to appear. On the menu, you're going to click your Google Drive app. So what you're doing is you're going into your Google Drive. You don't have all these apps that are on this image, but you do have the Google Drive app. So that's the one that looks like the triangle with the different colors. So click on that, and that will take you to your Google Drive. This is an image of my drive, so yours is going to look a little bit different. But number 4, in your drive, you should have this 5th grade home base slide presentation. I shared it with all of you. If you don't, let me know. You're going to double click on that because you're going to open it. Once it's open, you're going to see the home page. You're going to go to the address bar at the very top of your slide where the arrow's pointing. And on that address bar, there's this star at the very far right part. You're going to click on the star, and a message is going to pop up. The message is telling you that you're adding that page to your bookmark. You don't do anything on that except for click the done word, the word that says done. Once you do that, you're going to see that that star turns blue. That's exactly what you want it to do. You want the star turn to blue. Now you have officially bookmarked that site. When you open a new tab, you can see your bookmark bar, which is what I highlighted in pink. And you'll see that that page, 5th grade information, is in your bookmark. Now, as a challenge, I'd like you to bookmark your Google Classroom homepage if you haven't done so already. This is important because that site is going to be where you have all your important information, and that's where we're going to have our daily assignments included. So you can always click on that if you need to know where to go to Google Classroom. It's going to have your Zoom link, your Meet link. It's going to have tons of information. So good luck bookmarking this. If you get stuck, remember to meet me at whenever you need me through Google Meet. All right, bye.